Oh my goodness. What? Hi, my name is Jacoby Company. Oh, that's not my name. My name is Cory Jacoby from Jacoby Company, and I'm the lead. No,
let's start again.
Treatments, and we're in our friend Deb's beautiful home, and we're in her master bedroom.
Sorry.
Okay.
I screwed up. Sorry, I hit the camera. One more time. In 3, 2.
Hi, my name is Cory Jacoby, and I'm the lead interior designer at our company, Jacoby Company, which I own with my business. Starting over. Hi, I'm the lead interior designer for Jacoby Company. Our business is specialized in custom window treatment.
Hold on 1 second. You have like a flyaway. Your hair is loose.
Hello, my name is Jacoby Company. And what we can do for you is we can take your home and actually transform it into, start over. I absolutely love it.
You always say warm and yummy.
Warm and yummy.
Yummy.
You gotta cut that out. Today at our beautiful, I'm at a, like a sort of, today we take you to our Santa Barbara village kind of home, but it's not really that. Oh, I'm tired. That's not that, we're starting over.
My wife Cory typically is in the video, but she's not here today with me. Because I want to show you something that I had to do.
Wait, cut. No, that's not true
What?
though. I'm gonna be going downstairs in this shot. I'm gonna be downstairs. So I am here.
Oh.
Bummer. Bummer for you.
I'm telling you, Maria, same thing. Guys know how to mechanic.
Okay.
Chris doesn't know how to do it.
Well, he's kind of a bit of
No, he's not.
a... No,
Whatever's the ease, like the
How do you make this go down now? Gary, how do you make it go down? And so how are we gonna do that is we were gonna create a really nestling room, and we did it with the window treatments. Wait, Gary, wake up, what are you doing? What? Yeah, no, they're not home, you gotta go to work. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Gary, you're so silly. Oh, you're silly. Anyway.
There's a lot of windows, and we didn't want to do window treatments on all the windows.
Oh, it's me. No, it's not me.
Who is it?
Oh. That's not good. What?
Do you know what you're doing?
No, I don't ever play with these.
Lessons. This is so ridiculously... Stop. You're messing it up completely.
It's really better if I don't do it.
Okay.
So thank you for watching this video, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Call Jacoby Company. Bye-bye. Nailed it.
Yeah. God.